Did you know you can make a lot of money online by opening multiple Etsy shops? Now, the key is for you, you probably want to get those 40 free listings. So over here, I'm going to be showing you how you can do exactly that. I'm going to have a link right down below where you can get a bunch of different shops. And we have a secret for you, small secret that you probably want to know, is that on Etsy, you can get started and you can get multiple free 40 listings. So you don't have to just open one shop. You can open a few of them using the link below, and then you can get multiple of those shops opened with the specific link. Why should you open multiple Etsy shops? It's very clear. You want to get started going ahead and testing out the different business models for you on Etsy. There is 3 different things that you can sell on Etsy today. Before we get started, I want to show you how much money I was able to make with my own Etsy shop and why you should get inspired. So in the year 2020, I made absolutely nothing. The next year I made 319, and that's when I started documenting everything I made on my Etsy shop so I can create a class teaching you exactly how to do it. The year after that, I made $2,600. The next year, $3,000. After this, $3,200, and then $4,000. Halfway through this year, $2,500, and I'm on the road to making $5,000. If you want to learn more and want to master Etsy, make sure to enroll in my Etsy Masterclass. And this is just one out of a few shops that I have going on simultaneously for me at the same exact time because I want to maximize my revenue. It is digital products, and we can use ChatGPT to go ahead and create digital products online that you can go and sell right now. It is easy and simple for you to do. Next thing for you to sell is vintage. I love absolutely going on garage sales and finding vintage products to flip and make money online. It is one of the easiest and the best ways for you to make money. And lastly, the third way for you to how to make money on Etsy is very simple. Just go ahead and start creating creative things and make it by yourself. So if you think of something that is interesting to put it together and make some art, if you're an artist or somebody who wants to sell their artwork, Etsy is the place for you to go ahead and do so. But every single day that you wait to get started with this business idea and you don't put it in practice, you're missing out because you can make money, and you can make a lot of money online. By building the business and getting started today is the best way for you to get forward. So what are you waiting for? Get started, use the link below, and open up your shop right now. So are you ready for the challenge of getting started on Etsy and starting to make money and make your life much different than it was before? If the answer is yes, then go ahead, use those 40 free listings. That's gonna get you 4 months to try out Etsy all for free and see if Etsy is right for you. So the first thing you're gonna be doing is copying this down, the actual link, and then what you're gonna be doing next, and I'm gonna be going to the private window to show you exactly what it's gonna look like when you click on this link correctly. So if you click on it correctly, you're going to be seeing something like this. All you have to do is to go to your web browser, make sure it's a web browser, not a mobile phone. Use this exact link, copy and paste it, and press on go. When you press on go, you will see this. You'll find that millions of people around the world cannot wait to visit your shop. Open an Etsy shop and list your 40 items all for free, and then it says open a shop today. This is a great way for you to get started with a brand new business with a minimum amount of expense. All you have to do is press on open a shop today, and it's going to go to this step. What you have to do next is to use an email address and press on continue. You can also sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. One thing for you to keep in mind is that you can actually open multiple amount of shops using the same exact code. So reuse this code and use different emails or methods of signing in, such as Google, Facebook, or Apple. And then you can open more than one shop to try it out, because you just don't know which kind of niche is going to hit it big. And this way, instead of just making one brand name to your shop, you can make 3 different names or even more. And then you can go and cycle through them and test out a few different business models, where you're going to be seeing which one is the best business model for you to make money online. Nothing is more exciting than getting started with my shop. And when I first got started with my shop, it was extremely exciting, because initially I wasn't making any sales. But after a while, after you build everything, people are going to show up. But you have to build it from scratch. You have to build the whole entire store. Just think about it this way. If you go to a convenience store and you see a brand new store, what is the difference? The grand opening and celebration. And then you see all these new products in the store, and sometimes you're like, wow, this is an awesome product. I want to go ahead and buy it. And it's the same thing. It comes with your Etsy shop. When you create it, when you make the shop itself, it is wow. You have this wow factor, and you want to have this wow factor as you get started creating your Etsy shop. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. Use the free link right down below and create your Etsy shop right now. So first off, over here, you can see my actual Etsy shop. And one of the things you're probably asking is, how many of those listings do I have for me right now? So going into the listings, I have 103 free listings. This is one of my Etsy shops over here. Now, you're probably wondering how you can get those free 40 listings when you actually open the shop. So step 1, open the shop. You have to use my link in order for you to get the 40 free listings. Step 2 is to discover and find your actual listings inside the Etsy itself. So how do you do this? This is very complicated, because as you look through this, you're like, where is this? Where is this? Where is this? The easiest way for you to do this is very simple. Going to Google. The easiest way for you to go ahead and do this is extremely simple. Go to Google, type in 40 free Etsy listings, and then you're going to go right into Etsy itself over here. But you're going directly into your own shop. As you can see, this is my shop, and here is the listing over here. And now you can invite a bunch of your buddies to the actual listing link, and here you can send this to everybody you know, and then you get hundreds of different free listings that you can use for yourself.